Hello, you are welcome to GMats class. Now let's solve this problem together. Find the equation of a straight line of slope 2 over 3 if it passes through the point 3, minus 2. Now, to solve this, we are going to make use of this formula. Y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals to m. All right? So we just substitute. Now this is your x1, while this is your y1. Now the points. This is the gradient. So just substitute inside this formula. So we have y minus y1 is minus 2, okay, over x minus x1 is 3 equals to the gradient. The gradient is 2 over 3. Right now, so that gives you y plus 2. Minus times minus is plus over x minus 3 equals to 2 over 3. Now, the next thing to do is to cross multiply. So you cross multiply to have 3 times y plus 2 equals to 2 times x minus 3. All right, so let's open the bracket. We have 3y plus 6. 3 times 2 is 6 equals to 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6. All right, so we have 3y equals to 2x minus 6. Now when this one comes here, it becomes minus 6 as well. Once it crosses the equality sign, the sign changes. So we have 3y equals to 2x minus 12. So that is going to be the equation of the straight line. Hope you've learned one or two things. Make sure you tap your like button and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.